So, today our topic of discussion is how to rank your gig on Fiverr. Okay, first of all, we should know that what are the ranking factors. What are the factors that contribute in the ranking of a gig on Fiverr? It is important to know all these factors so that we can work on them. So these are few things that can play their part in gig ranking. First of all is gig title, second gig description, third gig cover photo. What else? What do you think? What are the other factors that can contribute in the gig ranking? Okay, to me, the most important factor in Fiverr gig ranking is stay online as much as you can. Can you imagine staying online can help your gig in getting higher rankings? If not, don't worry, I will help you. I will create a complete video on the importance of staying online and how it can help in ranking. So stay tuned for my next video. Please don't miss that video. What are the other factors? One, the most important factor is stay online as much as you can. Now we will discuss the other important factors. First of all, being a new seller, it is important to find out low competition gigs. What does it mean? When you search something on Fiverr, there are thousands of results that appear on your search results. You need to find out a gig that has less than 1000 services. Okay, I know there will be less order ratio on such gigs, but it will be easy to rank. We are talking about easy to rank gigs, Fiverr gig ranking factors. So it is the most important factor. Never go for higher services. Let's say I talk about content writing. When you will search for content writing, there will be more than 30,000 services on Fiverr. You need to go for specific. I am giving you an example of, let's say when you will search technical writing on Fiverr, you will get only 1800 to 2000 results. Okay, in this way you can minimize competition. Moreover, use your main keyword in title. Let's say you want to sell service of article writing, so you can write, I will write an article of 1000 words. I will write SEO article of 1000 words. I will write an SEO optimized article of 1000 words, etc. It means you should cover your main keyword in the title. Use maximum relevant keywords in description. It is said that description is the heart of gig. So use your maximum and relevant keywords in the description. Let's say you can use article writing, blog post writing, website content writing, description, website description, etc. These are all the keywords. You never know how the buyer is searching on Fiverr. When you will use all these keywords, the chances of your gig appearing in the search results will be higher. Design an excellent gig cover photo and mention your main keyword and title on it. What does it mean? As mentioned in my previous videos, gig cover is the most important factor and it can play its part in the gig ranking as well. One more thing I want to add in this list is ranking factor is gig video. Gig video, how gig video? I recommend people to use their own video instead of gig cover photo. Create a 30-second or 1-minute explainer video in which you can describe about your services, what you will be going to offer in your gig. Believe me, it will help you a lot in your gig ranking. Try this, and if it doesn't work, you can contact me. Sir, it's not working. It is a tried and trusted solution. Use tags wisely. As I have mentioned in my previous video, tags allow you to write 5 your relevant keywords so that whenever a buyer search for different keyword, your gig should appear in search results. Next, when you get your first order, try to deliver quality work and make your first client as a permanent client. When you get your first order, it would be difficult to get your first order, but when you are going to get it, make sure that your first client is your permanent client. Okay, whenever you keep on delivering quality work, he or she will never go away from you. Never buy fake reviews. I am strictly against it. Some people try to get ranking by getting fake reviews. Can you imagine when you purchase fake reviews from different countries, buyers or etc.? They give you, Fiverr allows you to give them two rankings. One ranking is that appears on your profile, and second is hidden ranking that Fiverr takes it for its own record, and Fiverr decides your ranking on that review. When you buy fake reviews, it's a business. People will give you 5 star that will appear on your gig, but they will give you 1 star that is hidden ranking that Fiverr gets for itself. Okay, so it will affect you badly, so never go for that option. Again, the final advice is stay online as much as you can. You can't even imagine the benefits of staying online. I will show you in the next video, so don't miss that video. What are the other factors? Fiverr allows new sellers to create 7 gigs, so you need to create 7 gigs. Offer bonus. Being a new seller, you need to offer something extra. Offer discount. Discount means, for example, whenever a buyer comes, he placed order, you can offer him discount for the next order so that he can continue with you. He does not move away anywhere. Quick response time. Everything matters on Fiverr. Let's say your order completion rate, your first response to messages, everything. So whenever you received a message, reply him or her quickly, otherwise you will not get your first order or means other orders. Avoid cancellation. You can't imagine how cancellation can affect your gig ranking. Okay, returning buyers. It is the most important factor in getting higher gig rankings. When you have returning buyers, Fiverr will automatically boost your gig and bring it to first, second or third page. It will help you a lot in getting more orders. And the last factor is your efforts. You can never achieve anything without making efforts. The most effort you put in your online field, freelancing field, the more rewards you will get. But make sure that you have believe in your Allah and believe in your efforts. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the next video. This time I will not stop this chain, but I need your support to continue this Fiverr series chain. Thank you and stay tuned for my next video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.